I've been locked away in my trading lab, testing, refining, and perfecting a strategy that could change the way you trade forever. And today, I'm finally ready to reveal it. This isn't just another overhyped system, it's a proven, powerful, and insanely profitable strategy based on pure price action. No complicated indicators, no black box algorithms, just a crystal clear method that works across Forex, stocks, crypto, and commodities. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another strategy? What makes this one different? Well, let me show you some real results. I tested this strategy with just 7 trades. And guess what? 6 out of 7 were winners. That's an 85% win rate, and those trades alone generated a mind-blowing 41% profit. But I'm not here to make empty promises. I'm here to teach you exactly how this strategy works, step by step, so you can start using it today. So grab a notepad, pay close attention, and let's dive in. The core of this strategy is the higher high, lower low indicator. This is your secret weapon for identifying market structure with laser precision. It detects pivot highs and pivot lows, marking key turning points in price action. Why is this important? Because spotting these shifts early can give you a huge trading edge. This indicator doesn't just show highs and lows, it confirms trends. If the market is making higher highs and higher lows, we're in an uptrend. If we see lower highs and lower lows, we're in a downtrend. Simple, but incredibly powerful. We're not using the default settings. To make this strategy ultra-precise, we set the left and right bar options to 9. This fine-tunes the indicator, filtering out noise and locking in on the most reliable pivot points. We also turn off automatic support and resistance lines to keep the chart clean and easy to read. A cluttered chart leads to cluttered decisions, so we're keeping things crisp and focused. Next, we add the quantum bands indicator, which is a variation of Bollinger Bands. It's a powerful tool that helps us gauge volatility and momentum. So go to its setting and change the period to 21 for optimal sensitivity. Then turn off the background color and signals to keep the chart neat. The quantum band's baseline acts as a dynamic trend filter. If the price is above the baseline, it shows an uptrend. If the price is below the baseline, it shows a downtrend now. Here's where the real magic happens. We're not just blindly jumping into trades. We're waiting for the perfect breakout setup. Bullish breakout. 1. Identify a higher high and draw a horizontal line at that level. 2. Wait for a candle to close above that line. 3. Here's the key confirmation. The closing price must be above the upper band of quantum bands. This signals strong momentum and confirms the breakout. 4. Entry. Enter a buy trade at the breakout candle's close. 5. Stop loss. Set it at the lower quantum band. 6. Take profit. Either trail your stop along the quantum band's baseline or use a fixed 1.5 times or 2 times risk-reward ratio. Bearish breakout. 1. Identify a lower low and draw a horizontal line at that level. 2. Wait for a candle to close below that line. 3. The closing price must be below the lower band of quantum bands. This confirms strong bearish momentum. Enter a sell trade at the breakout candle's close. 5. Stop loss, place it at the upper quantum band. 6. Take profit, use the same options as in bullish trades. Remember, the breakout must be explosive. If it's weak or hesitant, skip the trade. This strategy isn't just theory, it's tested, refined, and ready for you to use. But here's the deal. No strategy will make you profitable unless you put in the time to master it. So, do yourself a favor, backtest this strategy, practice it on a demo account, and watch how it transforms your trading. Once you see the results for yourself, you'll never want to trade any other way again. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think or if you have any questions. Now, get out there, start trading, and let's make some serious profits.